Hi, it's Lee from Kyloe Partners here. So we've reached the last video in our series around data tools. You've seen the power across data tools for managing the quality of your data in Bullhorn. With power comes great responsibility. What happens if you make changes and want to revert them? Well, don't worry. With data tools, we have you covered. Whether it's through our dry run feature in duplicate, or whether it's undoing a mass update through data rules. In our specific scenario today, we've just reassigned everything that once belonged to me across to Adam Smith. However, we've just realized that we've assigned the data to the wrong user because we actually have 5 Adams in our business and we probably did not pay enough attention to who we assigned to. Not to worry though, as through our revert feature in data rules, we can see all the updates we've performed in the last 30 days and simply go and revert our change. We can take a breath and go back and assign the data to the right user. Thanks for watching our series on data tools, and once again, if you want to know more, reach out to Kyloe.